Providing Clean Water by Mikhail, DelRosario, Ryan Law, and Randy Gesell. What is the problem that we are addressing? There's currently a clean water crisis that has affected more than 10% of the planet. An estimated 844 million people on Earth lack the access to clean water. Every year, more people die from unsafe water than all forms of violence, and every year, a newborn baby dies due to the lack of clean water. Why did this problem come about? There are numerous reasons why people don't have access to clean water. The biggest one is poverty. Close to 50% of the people without clean water are located in the regions of southern and central Africa. Water and environmental issues. We use water for a variety of purposes, from agricultural, domestic, and industrial uses. This has involved activities that alter surrounding ecosystems, like contaminating water with excess nutrient runoff and industrial waste. Water and environmental issues. Between 56% and 65% of the inland water systems suitable for use in intensive agriculture in Europe and North America have been drained by 1985. 73% of marshes in northern Greece have been drained since 1930. Climate change is going to increase water insecurity. Many of the world's most stressed areas will have less water. The accelerated glacial melt due to climate change will have one of the largest effects on water security. Water pollution. Every day, 2 million tons of sewage and industrial waste are dumped untreated into the world's waterways. In developing countries, 70% of industrial waste goes straight into lakes and rivers. The human right to water includes access to clean water, and to ensure that everyone has this right, we must address the heart of the problem. What are some potential engineering solutions? There are three critical issues of water security: access, pollution, and efficiency. Here are our proposed plans and some other technologies that we researched. Water efficiency, cloud seeding, omniprocessor, improved purification. Cloud seeding. This is a very interesting topic on making clean water accessible. It's the same theory that's used in Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, but it's actually realistic. It basically disperses different compounds into clouds to act as cloud condensation. The idea is to pretty much force rain and snow. Static cloud seeding. This is when a chemical is spread throughout clouds, which provides ice crystals, which causes moisture to condense. However, you need moisture to be already present in the cloud. Dynamic cloud seeding. This is the more complex version of cloud seeding. It uses up to 100 times more ice crystals than the previous method. However, it requires many more steps, and that makes it a lot less dependable. Hygroscopic cloud seeding. This method is one of the most promising, but also requires further research. Spread salts out in the lower parts of the clouds using flares or explosives, and when the water joins the salts, they spread out and cause precipitation. Omniprocessor. This isn't one type of technology, however, it's a category in which all the technology that's used to treat sewage and create clean drinking water. Janicki Bioenergy has been pretty successful with this and created some nice prototypes that are currently dealing with waste. Water purification. This is the removal of any unwanted chemicals or anything of the sort from water to produce drinking water. This is not very dependable because different unsanitary water needs different types of purification in order to make it clean. Sources.